Assalamu alaikum students. Today we have to start our new chapter number 17, perimeter and area of geometrical figures. First of all, we have to learn about what is perimeter. The distance around a plane figure is called its perimeter. This is a geometrical figure. A to B, B to C, C to D and D to A is called its distance, and this distance is known as its perimeter. The perimeter of a rectangle is the sum of the lengths of all its four sides. Means this is a rectangle. Let's suppose this length is 2 and this length is also 2 and breadth is 1. So 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 2 5 and 5 plus 1 6. 6 is the perimeter of this rectangle. Now we have to learn about perimeter of a quadrilateral. A quadrilateral is a shape in which 4 sides and 4 angles. For any quadrilateral ABCD, length AB is equal to L and breadth AD is equal to B. Perimeter is equal to sum of all the sides. Let we consider this quadrilateral. This is also a quadrilateral. So all sides, we have to add the all sides. This is the perimeter of this quadrilateral. Perimeter of a sphere. This is a sphere. And we know that in sphere all sides are equal. All the 4 sides of a sphere or a rhombus are equal. So the perimeter of a rhombus or a sphere is 4L, where L is the length of each side. For example, we have to add all the sides. For example, L plus L plus L and plus L, 4L. Okay. And now we have to use the shortcut method 4L. 4 multiplied by L is the perimeter of a sphere and rhombus. Perimeter of a rectangle. The perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth. This is a rectangle and the length is L and the breadth is B. So its perimeter is L plus B plus L plus B. So L plus B plus L plus B. 2 times L means 2L plus 2 times B means 2B. 2 taking as a common, then L plus B. So perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth. 2 into length plus breadth. Perimeter of a rectangle. In a parallelogram, the opposite sides are equal. This is a parallelogram, and in parallelogram, the opposite sides are equal. AB equals to CD and AD is equals to BC. So the perimeter of a parallelogram ABCD is AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. That is 2 into length plus breadth, as same as perimeter of a rectangle. Now we have to talk about perimeter of a triangle. This is a triangle and this side is B, this side is A and this length is C. In a triangle ABC, where BC is equals to A, BC equals to A, CA is equals to B and AB is equals to C. So perimeter is equals to BC plus CA plus AB. As same as we have to add all the lengths of the sides. So perimeter is equals to A plus B plus C. Exercise 17 question number 3. Find the perimeter of each of the following. अभी हमने perimeter के different किस्म के formulas पढ़े हैं. अब हम इन क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करेंगे. फर्स्ट पार्ट है a square of side 8 cm. Square. It means perimeter of a square formula भी हम पीछे पढ़ के आए हैं. The perimeter of a square is equals to 4L. So length is equals to side of a square is equals to 8 cm and perimeter of a square formula में अभी पढ़ा था 4L. 4 multiplied by side 8. 4 8 is 32 cm. This is the answer. Part number 2. A rectangle of side 6 cm and 4 cm. 6 cm length and 4 cm breadth. Length of rectangle is equal to 6 cm. Breadth of rectangle is equal to 4 cm. And perimeter of a rectangle is equal to formula होता है 2 into length plus breadth. So length is equal to 6 and breadth is equal to 4. 6 plus 4 10 and 2 multiplied by 10 is equal to 20 cm. Part number 3. A triangle of sides 3 cm, 4 cm and 5 cm. As we read the formula, length of sides of triangle is equal to sum of the length of sides. So 3 plus 4 plus 5 is equal to 12 cm. Part number 4. A parallelogram with adjacent side measuring 8 cm and 6 cm respectively. Length of adjacent side is equal to 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter. So perimeter is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. Length is equal to 8, breadth is equal to 6, 8 plus 6, 14, and 14 2s are 28 centimeter. Part number 5, a rhombus of side 5.5 centimeter. As we read, the perimeter of a rhombus is as same as square. So perimeter of a rhombus is equal to 4L. So 4 multiplied by 5.5, which is equal to 22.0 centimeter. Question number 4. Calculate the perimeter of each of the following figures. Simply we have to calculate the perimeter of these figures. Part number 1. Simply we have to add these values. 4 plus 5.2 plus 3 plus 3. So perimeter of a figure is equal to 4 plus 3 plus 3 plus 5.2, which is equal to 15.2. As same as part number 2. We have to add 10 plus 6 plus 7 plus 10 plus 5 plus 12 and plus 20. And their sum of the side is equal to 70 meter.